In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Projects. Whether you're managing a small team or coordinating a significant business project, Xero Projects can streamline your tasks and keep everything on track. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is open up the Xero website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can dive straight into the Projects feature. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand side where you'll see a menu. You need to scroll down and click on the Projects tab. This action will take you to the Projects home screen where you can view the details of your ongoing work. Next, click on All Projects at the top of the screen. This area provides a comprehensive view of all the projects you and your team might be currently undertaking. It's the perfect place to get an overview of what needs your attention and what's on track. Now that you're in the All Projects section, you will see an option to start a new project. Look for the New Project button and give it a click. This will open a draft template that you can fill out with your project specifics. Once the draft is open, the first field you'll see is for the contact. Here, you can either select a contact from your existing list within Xero or enter details for a new contact if needed. This step ensures the right stakeholders are connected to the project from the get-go. After entering the contact, it's time to give your project a name. Choose something descriptive that will make it easy to identify among other projects. This is essential for keeping things organized, especially when managing multiple projects at once. Next up, you need to set a deadline. This is crucial for maintaining project timelines and ensuring everyone working on the project is aware of the expected completion date. Deadlines help maintain focus and can be adjusted as necessary once the project is underway. Following the deadline, you'll need to enter an estimate. This includes any financial estimations associated with the project. It helps in budgeting and giving a rough idea of what the project will cost and what resources might be required. There's also an option to choose who can view this project. This allows you to manage permissions and ensure that sensitive information is only accessible to those who need it. Being careful with permissions can streamline communication and protect data integrity. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy. After you're satisfied with all your entries, go ahead and click Create. This will officially start your project in Xero and allow all designated team members to view and begin work. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to efficiently managing your tasks using Xero Projects. Thanks for watching and happy project planning.